Why do 70% of Cardano holders stake their ADA? Because it's easy and rewarding. Let's see how. Staking Cardano ADA not only secures the network but also earns you rewards. Here's how to get started. First, choose your wallet. Non-custodial wallets like Daedalus, Yoroi, and Exodus give you full control. Or go for custodial exchanges like Coinbase and Binance for simplicity. Next, acquire ADA. Buy it on an exchange or transfer it to your wallet if you already have some. Now select a stake pool. Do your research. Look for reliable pools with good performance and reasonable fees, then delegate your ADA. Open your wallet, head to the staking section. Pick your pool and confirm your delegation. Finally, wait for rewards. Rewards are typically distributed every 5-7 days. Keep an eye on your wallet to watch your earnings grow. Remember, prioritize security with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. And stay informed with the latest Cardano news.